Welcome, interior designers. I hope all you are doing really good. My name is Arihant Dugar. I'm the founder of GetMoreProjects.com, the only interior growth company where we help you to systemize your client acquisition system, help you to get more sites, get more projects, help you to skyrocket your revenue, help you to scale to 1 crore, 2 crore, 3 crore per month on automation without you focusing on technical aspects and focusing on growing your business, not working in your business. So, yeah, let's get started with it. Today, majorly we'll be discussing about in 2024, which is the marketing or you can say a digital marketing funnel will gonna work for you. That is something we're gonna discuss. Like if you see digital marketing is a very broad term. Whenever clients come to me and they ask me, sir, we want to do our digital marketing. When you say digital marketing, you need to be very specific. There are thousands of different aspects of how you do a digital marketing. First of all, that's what you need to understand when you're speaking to a person who can help you with your marketing, with your sales, etc., with your revenues, with your growth. So in marketing, there are many things. There are branding is also a part of marketing. Are you looking for more brand awareness? Are you looking for more lead gen? Are you looking for SEO? Are you looking for only social media growth or let's say followers, IGFB growth? What exactly you are looking for? But if you see, if you take my honest feedback, you should start with the digital marketing that gives you ROI. If you think by making a website you will become successful, you will get clients, no. If you think by posting content on social media you will going to get clients, no. You think by uploading YouTube videos you will going to get clients, no. You think by running just ads you will going to get clients, no. What you actually need is a ROI system. ROI system that is actually working for you, where you are putting money and you are getting money out of it. You are putting 1 rupees, you are getting 10 rupees back, 5 rupees back. That's what you need to build, a ROI driven system that give you a return on investment of your current money that you are investing. That should be the basic. That should be the base of your marketing. If you are hired a digital marketing agency or any sort of agency, and you're working them with them from last 3 months, 6 months, and you have seen zero ROI, no clients, barely breaking even, you should fire them right now. Then what sort of marketing you're doing? The purpose of marketing is to get you sales. That is the main thing, the basic, very common sense thing. If you're paying some random shit and you are hired some random marketing agency who don't know shit about your business, they will not help you to grow. That's why only lead generation is also not important. If you are thinking by just getting leads, you will going to get client. No, that is also a wrong thing. You need a proper ROI driven system, ROI driven marketing system. If I go more in depth, that's why what we have built is Get More Project System. GMP, that's what our company name is. That's what our system name is. Get More Projects. That's why our major solely focus is on when like you are coming to us and looking for a help on how you can grow a company. The only thing you need and the only thing you should have, the only thing you should looking for is a quick ROI. Fast ROI, instant ROI. Instant ROI means at least within 30 days to next 90 days. Between 30 days to next 90 days, you should be start making money out of your marketing. And if you're not making that, if companies are saying no, you have to work for 1 year with us, minimum 6 months with us, no. Minimum 30 days, maximum 90 days are more than enough to build a ROI driven system. And then whatever money you are making out of it, now you can invest in website. Now you can invest in branding. Now you can invest in creating good content, etc., etc., etc. Lot of things you can do out of it. But the most important thing that you need and you have should is only one thing, get more project system, or you can say, if I say in a layman term, which is a ROI driven system, return on investment, or if I say in my term, what we call get more project system. Now you might be thinking, what is this system, or actually how you can do it? I will give you some glimpse of it. I cannot tell you everything in detail, but I will tell you one funnel, one marketing funnel, you can say, or a marketing system that works really good for any interior design business. That start with Facebook and Instagram ads. If you know me, I'm a big fan of Facebook and Instagram ads. If you want to grow your interior design business, that's what you need, Facebook and Instagram ads. So let's say you live in Nagpur, let's say you live in Bangalore, let's say you live in Pune, any city, you want to target those city areas where you, what we say, where you like service your business, you provide your services. So you need to run Facebook and Instagram ads. You need to drive that traffic to a lead form or a landing page where you're asking them multiple questions like what is their budget, what is their floor plan, how soon they want to start, their name, email address, phone number, etc., etc. Multiple things we can ask to see like how qualified they are, and we can qualify them. Once they fill the form, they go to a thank you page where they can also call you. Like you can say like due to multiple requests, multiple leads, we might not able to get in touch with you. You can skip the line and call now. So you can give a call to action here to call now. But that's not the journey ends. This is the place where journey starts. Yes, this is the place where journey starts. This is not the end. This is where the journey starts. Now the lead is generated. Next thing, you should be having a quick automated system where you get a notification on email, on SMS, on WhatsApp, somewhere, instant notification that this person has filled out your form and this is their requirement. You should be getting, first thing is an instant email. Whenever someone fills the form, you should be getting an instant email. Second thing, that person should be getting a instant WhatsApp automated message. WhatsApp automated message. I know my handwriting is very messy, but really sorry for that. This is what they need. WhatsApp automated message. If they don't, they are not getting, because let's say you have generated a lead at night 2 a.m., morning 5 a.m., or late night 11 p.m. You definitely don't have that on that point of time, lot of time to call the lead, have a conversation with them, message them, SMS them. So this should be automated. Right now, they filled out a form. There should be a message going to them directly, like, "Hey, thank you so much for filling the form," or etc. etc. Intro, welcome message should be getting, and then after that, you should have a sequence. Message two after 24 hours. This is what you need to build. This is where the marketing get started working, man. Many people think by just generating leads they're gonna make money. No, this is the biggest secret I'm revealing. Nobody will tell you in the market what actually works. Then the message three after next more 24 hours, or let's say 36 hours or 48 hours. Again, in next 24 hours, one more message. So you should be having at least 10 sequence. Means in next at least 20 days, they are receiving 10 messages from you. And in that meantime, you are also having a conversation with them on a phone call. You are also having a conversation with them on a site visit, etc., etc. You are calling them. We'll also talk about that. So, but this is the thing: automated message, 10 message sequence, because this is something you cannot do manually, like manually sending every lead a message or a WhatsApp message. This should be an automated way. You should be getting sending messages continuously, consistently to all the leads on automation. There are many tools that can do AI Sensi, Pably, you can automate through that. Next thing is calling lead immediately. That is another thing. Calling lead immediately. Calling. When I say calling, just a second, man. Yeah. So calling is, you, let's say a lead is coming at 2 a.m. Early morning, a time where you are not able to call them, that's okay. But try to call them at least in the working hours. Let's say working hour is 10 to 8 or 10 to 5. As a business owner, you should be working at least 12, 15, 16 hours. But here you should have a telecaller, telecalling team. If you are a beginner, if you are a new, you don't have a budget to hire telecall, that's okay. You have time that point of time, so you can call. But at the stage, once you sign some project out of it, either you should have a telecaller or start with your own calling. Start with your own. Like I have worked with many companies that didn't have any telecaller. First month, they did it by themselves. They closed few projects. Now they've hired a telecaller and we are working with them. Or else, if you already have a leverage to have a telecaller, you're already doing marketing, already have someone in your team who can do calls, go for it. Have a telecaller, dedicated person who is dialing those leads back and forth every single day. and busting them. So that's what you need to do. Very aggressive calling. You need to call them. There will be like, let's say, two to three types of leads. This is a very detailed thing I'm explaining. I'm guaranteeing you nobody will tell you all these things. When you're calling, there will be three to four type of prospect. First is they picked up a call, booked appointment. First ever time you call them, they picked up a call, booked appointment, booked a site visit, anything like that. Second type of lead, which is going to be in a follow-up. Like they filled it a form, but they are outstation right now. They are not available for a week. They might have some urgent work to go. So they will be in a follow-up stage. So you have to follow up with them whenever, before ending a call, you should ask them when I can give you a follow-up call, or when I can give you a call when you are free, or etc. etc. So they will not go to book instantly. They might be busy, they might be any reason they picked up, but they are not available for a site visit for a week, for a month, anything. So you can ask them for a follow. Third thing is a junk lead. Junk lead means some people, what happens when you are doing marketing, one thing you need to understand, there will be people who filled a form by mistake, or they don't have requirement. Maybe somebody else filled a form. So there will be certain percentage of it. If you're doing marketing, you are reaching masses. There will be some kind of people. So don't be like, no, I don't want junk leads. I don't want to deal with junk leads. Shut up, man. That's what marketing is. Like thousands of videos, thousands of people watch my videos. Just think how many junk leads I get. But we have a filtered, we have a system to which we avoid them. So simply, okay, if you are not requirement, no need to get sad. That's happened. Now the fourth type of lead, that's where you need to put your focus, is RNRs. This is a gold mine, man. This is a gold mine. Ringing, not responding. You are calling them, but they're not responding. This is where the real journey of a marketing, advertising, selling, calling things begin. This is very easy. Like follow up call, okay, we'll give you follow up on that dev site visit book, great. Junk leads, okay, out of the box. But now the RNR, people those to whom you're calling, but they're not responding. RNR, guys, this is where the real gold mine is. So until and unless they are not picking your call, or either saying you don't call me again, or they're saying you, yes, let's book a site visit. If you're not getting these two answers, or third thing is, I didn't inquire about your services, these three things, if you're not getting these three things from a lead, you have to keep ringing, keep dialing. First day you generated lead, let's say morning you got a lead, call them in morning, call them in afternoon, call them in evening, three times a day. Next day, same. Call them in morning, call them in evening, call them in afternoon. Same. Three times a day. Hit them. Keep calling. Maybe you have two, three multiple phone numbers. Call them through that. Maybe call them on WhatsApp. Send them a voice note on WhatsApp. You have to try to hit them in any other way and get in touch with them. That's where you make real money. That's where you get real ROI. And that's where people don't focus on these things. They only go for arena. They think first time they call, they see lead is not responding, will not call them. Oh man, this is a sad truth of the industry. So that's what you need to do. So this is like a whole marketing system. I'm building it right now for you. What more things you can do? And this is not the end of it. There are a lot of things we can do inside this and out of the box this. But I thought, I think this length will be more than enough for this video. So if you want to know more like how we can help you, how you can work with us, I would recommend you to click on a link below, schedule a one-to-one conversation with me. I will be personally there for you to guide you and to see you how we can help you and qualify you if we are a right fit to work together or not. So that is the main thing. So click on a link below of the description box of this video, and I will see you on another end. Till then, bye bye. Have a good one. See you soon.